Welcome back to those who listen. Sorry the last video got cut off. I was running out of room, so I had to free more space on my computer. But here's what we got. Oh, sorry, it's December 21st. Oh my God. December 25th, 2017. Merry Christmas again. It's 4:01 p.m. I'm not sure how long it is, about 15 minutes since the last video. We got this really weird dark cloud though. Alright, I'm gonna give you like more of a view of everything else too. Nice and blue through here. And I would say, those look like normal clouds. I don't know, just a weird sunset. Weird how it glows like that, though. Alright, we got something right there. Weird how, look at how it, so here's another thing that's kind of strange too. See, it's kind of glowing. What is that now? Alright, I'm going to try to zoom in. Look at, there's something above. Who knows? I'm just going to keep recording. Look at that. It's weird. See, I go in on it. I mean, it's there, but it's not glowing like it is when I'm zoomed out. That looks weird. That looks really weird. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have, thank you for subscribing. Please share. Please share this with other people so they can see what's going on in Western Colorado and other parts of the world too. There's many other YouTube channels that are doing the same thing, showing what's going on with the skies. Lots of chemtrails in the horizon here. We still got 30 plus minutes before the sun is supposed to set. Weird. See, now it looks like the sun is huge, because that would be like half the sun. Now suddenly the sun is huge. I'm starting to have some more theories about like that last video where there's like that one object in the middle. I think that was the sun. And then everything behind it is the sun simulator. Just throwing that out there. I don't know. Not as dramatic again as earlier, but still strange. And as you can tell, I'm still hoarse. Probably still be hoarse for tomorrow's show too. So just keep in mind that this isn't my normal voice. This is like a lower version of it. Look at that. That's just crazy. Just had an orb passing right at the edge of that whatever that line is above the half circle of the sun. Maybe something passing by. Go in a little bit. Looks like something like a dark shadow is passing by. Alright, I'm going to zoom back out a little. Weird. One beam. Usually there's always at least two beams, you know, one coming from up and below or side to side. This is at an angle. Well, just one beam. Where's the other beam? The other side of it. I don't know. Alright, we're going to zoom all the way back out. Ooh, I'm getting the rose petal effect. Maybe an indication of an artificial light source, which would prove that it's a sun simulator. Alright, can we still see the rose petals? I don't see them now. I'm going to zoom back out. There's the rose petals. I just see them on the top. Oh no, okay, there's the bottom ones. Zoom in a little. Still there. Zoom in a little more. Still there. Okay, now is it there? I don't see it no more. Maybe, yeah. I don't know. That's not normal. Whether it's clouds covering the sun and then just partial of the sun is shining through the clouds, blah, blah, blah. Even if that was it, it's still strange. Look at how dark that cloud is. What do we got over here? Is that an orb? I'm not going to say it is, but it looks suspicious. It almost looks like it's got a trail. Oh my God, it's the SpaceX rocket! They launched another rocket here near Colorado. Why did it just dim? That is weird. It almost kind of looks like that rocket launch. Kinda. Where'd the sun go? It's only like 2/3. Huh. Don't know. Comments, opinions, all welcome. Any information, greatly appreciated. And got a nice orange, yellowish tint around the sun simulator. I'm wondering if we're going to get that. Whoa. If we're going to get that effect that we had from yesterday where it looked like it dripped down, and it kind of looks like it's starting to do that now. But look at the way how the sun shines through these clouds. So strange. Alright, I'm going to try to zoom in on this, see what we can get. Believe it or not, it almost looks like it's normal. Well, not when you zoom out. When I was zoomed in, it almost looks like normal, round. All right, let's go back out. All right, I'm going to pause it for a few minutes, and we'll see what we get after that. Hold on. Nope, it's just the cloud, but the way look at the way I'm going to go back out and see the way the light is illuminating in that cloud, and then when I zoom in, it's not. That's weird. And then the flashing of the sun, sometimes most of the time it's like faster. Sometimes it'll be flashing slow, more like a pulse. All right, I'm going to pause it for a few minutes again, and we will see if we can see something in a few minutes. It is 4:12 p.m. All right, we'll finish off the video now because it's getting close to going, and not sunset, but over the mountain. It is 4:32 now. And I will have to call them back. Just going to finish up. There's nothing spectacular. A lot of chemtrails. There is kind of a light source still on the horizon. Across the sky, kind of. I don't know. I can't say nothing about that. That could be normal. What's that up there? Just a cloud. I had to look because it kind of looked round at first. See, now if I saw an object like that, I would say, oh, yeah, that's not. Is that an orb? No, it's not an orb. I can see. You can see it's a cloud. But all those other ones, it's like, come on, those are clouds. All right, I'm going to try to zoom in really close to the sun here, see what we can get. Lots of chemtrails, and yeah, it doesn't look normal. But nothing over the top. Lots of chemtrails. You can see lots of different colors. I notice when the sun rises and when the sun sets, you will see orange and yellow around it. Still white, though, in the middle, and always white during the middle of the day. Alright, I don't think anything else is happening. Look at how nice and blue it is up there, though. Alright. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Like and share if you like what you see. Merry Christmas again. God bless you.